Hi, Vivian again. So today what we will do is we will look at environment setup for Google Apps scripts. What tools do you need? How do you set up your environment? What if you need a MacBook or a Windows machine? So it doesn't matter, especially for Google Apps scripts. You can use whatever you want. All you need is a computer. Even a Chromebook would work in this case. So you don't have to install anything. All you need is a browser. So I have a Safari browser. I'll open it, and you need a Google account. So if you have a Google account, if you don't have one, just create one. And once you create your Google account, just go ahead and go to this link, script.google.com. This is where you'll find Google Apps scripts. You'll see something similar to what I have right now. There's no projects, no scripts created. You can create a new script right here. So this is pretty much your IDE. Your browser is your IDE. So you don't need anything to setting up any environment. You don't need any programming languages to be installed. You don't need any software to be installed, just a browser. You can start your project by saying new project here, and it will create a project for you. You can you can enter your names here. You can add new files by going to file new. So it gives you an IDE integrated inside your browser. You can run your projects. You can do a bunch of things right over here. Some of the things that you would want is, what if I want to add some other code or other libraries to the project? There is a section called as resources where you can add. First, before adding, you'll have to save your project. I'm going to call it Hello World and save it. Might take a little bit time, but once it's saved, you can open it. So it says to enable this, you'll have to accept Cloud Console terms and services. So that's what I'll have to do. So I'm going to go to this link over here, and once it opens up, it will provide you with an agreement. I've already read this, so I'm going to agree and continue. And once I'm done with that, I can go back and add some cloud services to my project. It will show all the different available cloud services provided that you can use for your projects. There's also Cloud Platform project where you can specify a project number here and add a particular project, or you can use third-party libraries by going here. Now if you go to GitHub, you can find a lot of people have added their libraries up here. So I can just say Google Apps script, and when I search, I'll find bunch of different libraries available. Now how do I add these libraries to my project, because you can't download and add them? So let's find one. There is one available for OAuth library. There's one available for snippets. There's one which I've used quite a lot, is Slack integration. So if I want to add this particular library to my project, I need the library key. I copy this, I go back to my project, add it here and say add. Once it finds it, it will add it to your project, and you can select which version of the API of the library you want to add, and that's how you add it. You can use it by using the identifier in your project. If you want to change the identifier, you can change that. If you want to turn on development mode, you can do that. And if you want to remove this library, you can just press X over there. Same thing, again add. So you can find all these libraries in GitHub and everywhere where people are sharing it. So you can get them and then give a library key and add it to your project. So this is how you set up your environment, and you are ready to start coding in Google Apps scripts.